How to turn on or turn off Find My Network for Find My iPhone on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, tap on your Apple account. And from here, go down, then tap on Find My. Next, tap on Find My iPhone. Then we go down and tap on Find My Network. Now make sure Find My iPhone is switched on so that you can see the Find My Network option. Here we can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. When you turn it off, it's so that you will not be able to find your devices or items when not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. So tap on Disable to switch it off. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to turn it on. So with Find My Network, you are participating in the Find My Networks. Let you locate this iPhone even when it's offline, in power reserve mode and after power off. So even if the phone is power off or when it's offline, you still be able to find your iPhone when it is using the Find My Network. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.